Today, you're here with Chan, and we'll be showing you how to make Kasoy, Lao style.
So excited to be sharing this Yumin dish called Kasoy. My mom taught me how to make it, and here's my twist and my take on Kasoy.
So this is all the ingredients you'll need today. Some pork bones, ground pork, onions and carrots, whole fun noodles, you can use any noodles, salt, pepper, oil, bean sprouts, green onions, cilantro, red cabbage, some garlic, fish sauce, and topse, or fermented soybean paste.
Also the fish cake and the tomatoes.
So the first thing we need is to make the broth.
For the broth, first we're going to stir fry the pork bones with some olive oil to cook away the impurities. Then rinse off the cooked bones. Now fill up the pot with water to the brim and bring it to a boil. Chop some onions and a couple of carrots and add them to the pot. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Fish cake can be optional. Add fish sauce to the broth. So when it begins to boil, just turn down the heat and simmer the pot.
So next we're going to make the meat sauce, and I'll explain what that is.
Add the olive oil and saute the garlic until they get crisp and brown. Now add the ground pork along with salt and pepper, stir fry until cooked. Next, add the topse and mix evenly. Then add tomatoes and cook until they begin to shrink. We are looking for a thick consistency. The meat sauce is done.
So now we got our noodles. We're gonna rinse them off real quick. They're a little greasy. Rinse it off with some hot water, like so. Now we're gonna put our garnishes. Some red cabbage, some green onions, some cilantro. We're gonna add some of the meat sauce. Soup. Make sure you get some fish cake and some carrots. Nice colorful bowl. Noodles. There we go. So now, when you usually make this, you make it in a big batch you can share with your family and friends. So I usually add sriracha, some hoisin, and some chili paste. So you can definitely customize it and make it your own. Now you mix it all in together. You have a nice warm bowl of soy. Smacks. Smack.